Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging question from Algebra AMC 2022 10B. Find the constant k for which the equation have two distinct integer roots. Given quadratic equation is x square plus kx plus 36 equal to 0. So we have to find the constant k for which this quadratic equation will have distinct integer roots. So let's get started by calculating discriminant first. We know that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. As per our quadratic equation, a is coefficient of x square, which is 1, b is coefficient of x, which is k, c is constant, which is 36. Now we have to calculate discriminant first. We will write k square minus 4 times 1 times 36. So value will be equal to k square minus 144. Now 144 is 12 square. So we can write k square minus 12 square. Now we know that the algebraic identity a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. Let's apply. We will get k plus 12 times k minus 12. Now for roots to be distinct and integer, condition on discriminant is discriminant must be greater than 0. This cannot be equal to 0, otherwise roots won't be distinct. So d must be greater than 0. We will write k plus 12 times k minus 12 should be greater than 0. So our condition on k would be k greater than 12 or k should be less than minus 12. Our k value or our answers must be greater than 12 or less than minus 12. Now let us assume alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation x square plus kx plus 36 equal to 0. So I can write quadratic in terms of its roots x minus alpha times x minus beta equal to 0. Now we will expand our LHS. We will get x square minus alpha x minus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Or we can take minus x common over here. So we will get x square minus times alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Now we will rewrite our quadratic equation here. X square plus kx plus 36 equal to 0. Now we will compare the coefficients from both the equations. So I can write alpha plus beta will be equal to minus k, or we can write k will be equal to minus of alpha plus beta. Now we will compare the constant coefficients or constant from both the equation. Alpha beta will be equal to 36. Now we have product of roots equal to positive. So we will write two conditions on alpha and beta. Either both must be positive, then only we will get product positive, or both must be negative. Then only we will get our product 36 with plus sign. So let's assume first case. So we will write here first case. Here alpha, beta, both are positive roots. and product equation is alpha times beta equal to 36. Let's find out factors of 36. So I will write alpha, beta. So if we'll multiply 1 with 36, we are going to get product 36. 2 times 18 is also 36. 3 times 12 will also give us 36. And 4 times 9 is also 36. Then after, if we will write 6 times 6, it is not going to acceptable as we are looking for distinct roots. So alpha and beta should be distinct. Now we have to calculate the value of k, which is equal to minus of alpha plus beta. So I will write here minus of 1 plus 36, which is equal to minus 37. Here we'll be writing minus of 2 plus 18 will be equal to minus 20. Minus of 3 plus 12, which is equal to minus of 15. Here we'll be writing minus of 4 plus 9, which will give us minus 13. If you will look at k values, our condition on k was k should be less than minus 12. Here minus 37, minus 20, minus 15 and minus 13. All four values are less than minus 12. So we will write here k values will be equal to minus 37, minus 20, minus 15 and minus 13. Now we have to consider our second case where alpha and beta both are negative integers. So let me write here alpha comma beta negative integers. So I will write here alpha and beta. Product is alpha times beta, it is equal to 36. So if we will multiply minus 1 with minus 36, we are going to get product plus 36, minus 2 minus 18, minus 3 minus 12 and minus 4 minus 9. Then we will get minus 6 minus 6, which is rejected as we are looking for distinct integers. Then after we can write minus 9, minus 4, minus 12, minus 3, minus 18, minus 2, minus 36, minus 1, which we won't accept as equation is symmetrical. So k will be equal to minus of alpha plus beta. We will get k value minus of minus 1 minus 36. Value will be plus 37. Minus of minus 2 minus 18. Value will be plus 20. Third k value will be minus of minus 3 minus 12. Value will be plus 15. And then we can write minus of minus 4 minus 9. Value will be plus 13. And our condition on k was k should be greater than 12. All four values are greater than 12. So we have to accept all four. So I can write here k will be equal to, in total there are 8 values. So I am writing in total plus minus 37, plus minus 20, plus minus 15, plus minus 13. So there are 8 k values for which we will get distinct integer roots. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.